Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Hux World. And today we got an awesome watch face for the Monday grind that you guys gotta check out. It's free for the taking, and I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job with this one. Now these watch faces were free as of doing this video, and hopefully they're still free when you go download. So make sure you go download ASAP. Now the name of the watch face is called JH14 Multicolor Premium. It's a nice digital watch face, good for the work week, good for dressing down and or for dressing up, especially for a weekend wear. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far as your digital time in the AOD mode, but I like the look when the watch face is on. Everything lights up. You got kind of what I'm going to call two bubbles. In the top one, you're going to get the day of the week, your date, your month, and you get a nice legible digital time as well with animated seconds. And then you'll come down, you're going to get your step info, you're going to get miles walked or ran, your steps, your goal completed so far as your steps are concerned. And it's not showing really clear, but you're going to get a nice realistic looking moon phase right there. Your battery info is here, you have shortcuts there, and if I want to go in to my weather, I can make a phone call, go into my settings, and if I want to, I can set a favorite to make this watch face just that much more convenient. So I thought this was a good look from the developer, especially being what I want to call a super casual watch face, right? Now I can tap here, and it is inactive, so I can go into my calories burned, check my steps, my stress level, and if I tap right here, I can go into my calendar, set an event. Also same thing for my battery. And yeah, you can customize the color theme of the watch face. Just continue to double tap, and it'll change the color theme to different colors. And I thought that was awesome, especially considering that the watch face is free, but I do not know how long this watch face will be free. So make sure you go download ASAP. I hope you all are having an okay Monday grind thus far. And with that, let's check out watch face number 2. You all, this is watch face number 2, which is nice. I love the simplicity out of this watch face. It's a simple digital watch face. Now the name of it is called JH11 Multicolor Premium. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but you'll still see your time at a glance with no problem, no worries. Once the watch face is on, you're going to get things like, of course, your month, your date, the day of the week. You're going to also get a nice moon phase to the right, nice big bold digital time with animated seconds, of course. Then at the bottom, you are going to get battery info, your step count, and also your step goal completed. Now you will get shortcuts out of this one. You can get things like your music, you can go into your weather on this side, make a phone call, messages, set a favorite. And this is pretty nice for a free watch face that it packs all this inside. But again, at the end of the day, it's going to be all about you. Now you can customize the color theme of the watch face as well to set it to whatever you are wearing for the day, or just set it to your favorite color. This is nice, not bad for a digital watch face. But again, what did you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see videos like this again, then please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.